Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Eaglesoft. This is Muhammad Ishaq. In this video, we explore that how we find IP address of any website by using Python programming language. So basically, this is first Python programming lecture on Eaglesoft, and this lecture is recorded on base that you are already know basic concept of Python. If you not know, don't worry, just subscribe Eaglesoft YouTube channel and also Eaglesoft Facebook page by searching on Facebook eaglesoft.pk, and you will get Facebook page of Eaglesoft. Just like it, and in future we launch a full course of Python programming language from basic to advanced level. So now just we start coding and we see that how we find IP address of any website. So this is just not a programming lecture. This is also a best lecture for pen testing. So if you try to pen testing, so basic and first step is that you find out IP address. And I hope that you are already know what is IP address. So just first of all we save it. So here I save it on desktop already. Path is selected. Find underscore ip.py. Py is the extension for Python. So I already say you have some basic concept. If you not have, so just enjoy the code. See what happened. Import library. Socket is a library. Has as now we declare a variable my host underscore name is equal to s dot get host name. So get host name is a functions that assign the value of my host name. My host name actually is a variable. So here we see what in the my host name print my underscore host name. So now we run this code. So see, here is the name of Eaglesoft is the name of my laptop. So this is done. Now we see my underscore IP is equal to s dot get host by name. So here we pass my host name. What is my host name? Here is my host name. These functions assign my host name is Eaglesoft, and now we pass on this my host name that is equal to Eaglesoft. So we are not going to be more confused. Print my IP. This time my IP. Try to print my IP. So if I run now, here we see my IP address of this laptop. What is the IP address of this laptop? We see here. If I run this code now, so this print command I comment it, and we see now URL. Here we type URL of any website. So we for this testing we use our website eaglesoft.com.pk. so we don't try to hurt someone. eaglesoft.com.pk URL is okay. Now web underscore IP. So s dot get host by name, and here we pass URL. URL actually is a variable that contains eaglesoft.com.pk. Here you replace your targeted website. So if I print now URL, sorry, web IP. Web IP is a variable that contains the IP address of Eaglesoft. So if I print now, if I run now, so here we see URL of Eaglesoft website. So this is my system name, and if I uncomment it and in this down we see IP address of my laptop, and here is a IP address of Eaglesoft website. You replace your desired website here, not worry, you replace this URL by your targeted website, and you see how and what is IP address of a website. So I hope this is enjoyable for you, and keep subscribing also, and goodbye for next time.